How's it going, everyone? So in this video we will be doing an ab workout. Sparky's already in the video, she's got her toy. With this video I will be doing ab crunches. I know that may seem super boring, may seem super basic, but sometimes the basic things are the ones that work the best. So just like with your powerlifting, your bodybuilding, sometimes the bench press, the squat, and the deadlift are the best exercises. Actually, those are the best exercises. The abdominal crunch we're gonna do 10 repetitions. We're gonna do roughly 9 to 10 sets, so you're getting 100 repetitions. Let's get it started right now, my friends. So again, these are the workouts that I personally do every single day to help me. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna do little crunches like this. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! Definitely feeling it in my abs. So should you. Yeah. You guys are wondering where Sparky is? Just sitting over there watching me make a video with her favorite toy. One of her favorite toys. Sparky, you're on camera, you're famous. That's the mascot of the channel. If you guys didn't know, that's our workout fitness dog, Sparky. Yeah, she's always got to be in the video. She's kind of a camera. Yeah. Anyways. Killing it. We are killing it with the videos. Okay, 5 more seconds, then we will do another 10 repetitions. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I got one of my marks back from my transcription. Usually I'm doing pretty decent on it. What'll happen is it'll kind of be up and down a little bit. So the first one I got a 94% on. The second one I got a 62. So it averages out to about 80%. So kind of disappointed about that second mark. Overall though, the transcriptions that get marked for the course are only accounting for they only account towards 2% of your final grade, so it's not a big deal. I just did some provincial exams, or proficiency exams, if you will, and those I did pretty good on. I got an 84%. She's interested. She's smelling me. I don't know why are you smelling me? I don't stink. Just had a shower. Okay, stop smelling my crotch. Stop it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, so cute. She is the most annoying when I'm doing push-ups though. I've done push-up challenges before. She comes in the video, she gotta be right underneath me. She'll start biting me. She thinks it's a game. The worst. And she's just smiling right now with her little her jaw's kind of messed up. Goes like this. I'm sorry for insulting you. Okay, you guys, we are killing it. Sparky's doing some ab crunches too. Look at that, or she's having a seizure. Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Sparky's doing it too. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What are you doing, dog? What is she doing? Like, seriously. That's her ab crunches. Make sure you guys are not doing ab crunches like that. Shake it off. And I'm out of here. I'm outie. Peace out. She guards the house. Best guard dog I've ever had. It's actually the only dog I've ever had. Okay. But yeah, killing it. This video is going by super fast. We're already 5 minutes in. Half the workout is done, my friends. Let's keep it going. 1, 2, 3. I try not to show cleavage on here, my friend. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've also been going keto, my friends. So that has been, I've been kind of cheating on my keto a little bit. So I'll be like, yeah, I'm going keto, and then I'll have like some carbs, like pasta. I'm like, it's not keto, but yeah. I got so much going on, so busy, that it's so tough to diet. And I know you shouldn't say that, because a lot of people have stressful lives, busy lives, and they still find time to diet. My life is super busy, super busy. That's still no excuse. So all the stuff that I am doing, on top of that, I am dieting too, which makes everything a little bit harder in my opinion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo-hoo. And again, if you guys are looking for some magical exercise, some magical way to get six-pack abs, it's not going to happen. How you get six-pack abs is sitting here, following the video, doing these exercises with me, being at home, dieting correctly, proper calorie counting, and all that fun stuff. That is how you're going to see results. There is no magical exercise. I used to be just like you guys. I used to search on the internet for a magical exercise that'll just transform my body. After a while, I started learning about nutrition, and that's what ultimately started shaping my body, started getting me muscle, started getting me abs, and all that fun stuff. So if I had to pick a magical exercise, I would say flutter kicks. Flutter kicks, because they're amazing in my opinion. Okay, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo-hoo-hoo. My abs are on fire. Woo. But yeah, I'm not trying to brag, and I'm not gonna put a link in the description box for any of this, but my other channel has officially gotten 100 subscribers. I think we're at 102 subscribers. So when it comes to that point, I will link it and I will start advertising it. But until then, I'm still keeping it on the down low. Don't want too many of my subscribers subscribing to it, just because what will happen is that I absolutely flood your subscription feed with videos, because I make 20 to 30 per day. So I don't want people unsubscribing to my channel because I'm flooding theirs. So that's one of the main reasons I don't tell people about it. Let's get it going. Another 10 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. Okay. We are killing it. Almost done. One more set to go, and then we are done. So great job for following along, you guys. Make sure you are following along. That's how you're going to see results. But yeah, work. Basically what I do, come home, I work for like 10 hours, come home, make a fitness video, make 10 to 20 to 30 of my other videos, and then I might make another fitness video, and then I'll spend a little bit of time with the wife, and then that's about it. That's my night. And I do that 7 days a week. And on top of that, on the weekends, I will do schooling on top of that. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my God, I apologize for Sparky barking, but she's just protecting the place. Okay. End of workout. Great job, my friends. You guys did amazing. Again, with these videos, there are going to be some days where we do the same exercise over again, but what might be different is we might switch the rest period times, we might switch the repetitions. So if you see a same exercise, don't click out of the video. It's still going to be a good workout, and we might switch a few of the variables up. So all I ask for you, my friends, is just share the video, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's just keep growing the channel. So thank you for watching. End of video.